One of the simplest videos on the internet is quietly pulling in millions of views and almost nobody understands why. You know the ones. A simple ball trapped inside hypnotic circular rings, a ticking countdown at the top, and one burning question in your head. Will it escape in time? You scroll past one, then another, and before you realize it, you have watched 5 of them all the way to the end. That is when I knew something powerful was happening here. So I decided to dig deeper, and what I found honestly shocked me. Videos like this are pulling in millions of views. Not thousands, millions. Some YouTube Shorts channels are crossing 20 million views with nothing but these satisfying escape animations. The same exact thing is happening on TikTok. And here is the craziest part. These videos are fully monetizable on both platforms. That means ad revenue, creator funds, and long-term passive income from content that looks almost too simple to be real. The reason they work is psychological. These videos use hypnotic circular maze animations where a ball must escape within a countdown. That ticking timer creates tension. That is why the watch time is insane, and that is exactly why the algorithm loves them. Now, normally creating videos like this would be a nightmare. You would need programming skills, motion logic, physics simulations, and hours or even days of trial and error just to get it right. For most people, that alone is enough to quit before even starting. But this is where things get interesting, because today I'm going to show you a method that takes less than 10 minutes and requires zero coding. The first thing you want to do is open Google and type Hypnoz tool. Click the official website. I also put the direct link in the description to save you time. Once you are inside, click try now and sign up using your email. It takes less than a minute. After logging in, give the platform a moment. It automatically analyzes trending short video formats across TikTok and YouTube. This is important because you are not guessing what might work. You are literally building on formats that are already proven to go viral. Once the analysis is done, you will see multiple templates. For this tutorial, I am choosing ball escape rings because this is one of the highest performing styles right now. Now comes the fun part, customization. You can control almost everything here. First, set the video duration. I recommend around 1 minute. These satisfying videos perform incredibly well with longer watch time, and 1 minute gives the algorithm plenty of data to push it further. Next, adjust the sound effects when the ball hits the rings. That subtle audio feedback is surprisingly important for retention. You can also upload your own images if you want to brand the video or make variations. Once that is done, click Continue. On the next screen, you can choose your color palette and animation speed. Brighter colors usually perform better, but darker themes can also work if you want a more intense vibe. Increase or decrease the speed until it feels tense but not chaotic. Keep previewing the video on the side until everything feels right. Click Continue again and let the system analyze your setup. This part is powerful. You can actually see a viral potential score based on engagement patterns. When everything looks good, click Generate My Viral Video. In a few moments, your video is done. No editing software, no timelines, no headaches. Now all you need to do is download the video and upload it to TikTok or YouTube Shorts. That is it. You do not need a huge audience. You do not need fancy branding. This format is already doing the heavy lifting for you. Let me show you why this matters. There is a TikTok account that started uploading videos like this in early December. No face, no voice, no complicated editing. And he didn't grind for hours. He only used Hypnoz for just 10 minutes a day, and the results came faster than anyone expected. And also this one, with Hypnoz, his videos reach millions of viewers. This is exactly why creators who understand trends early win big. What makes this even better is how simple the pricing is. You can start with the starter plan at $19 per month to test the format, upgrade to the $39 creator plan to scale faster, or go all in with the $89 professional plan to push massive volume and dominate multiple accounts. If you enjoy learning about viral content like this, comment below and tell me what kind of viral videos you want to master next. And if you want more tutorials like this that actually work, make sure you subscribe.